to go live. How is everybody? Just waiting to go live on all platforms, and then we'll get started. See, US 500 took a big jump upwards. It's currently moving downwards. Okay, cool. We are live on all platforms. Yeah. So today we're going to be doing a lot more of the trading. We've chosen a more suitable time for the trades to be taken today. Now, we're just waiting for market to open. In around 8 minutes, we will have market open and we'll be able to play some trades. We're going to use the GPT and really find some key information that we need for these trades, or maybe any potential option trades. There's a lot of information we're going to take a look at today, not just for, what me and my colleague will do, but anyone that's sort of watching the stream. If you just want to leave a comment, drop a ticker down below and we'll take a look at it. But yeah, hopefully everybody is having a nice day. It is quite pleasant outside, a couple of clouds, just a nice day all around in London. US 500, we caught a very, very nice trade yesterday. I'll zoom in and I'll show you what we did. So we entered around this 5753 with a buy. We caught it and took it all the way to the top up here, up here. So quite a few points there that we went up by. A very nice trade. I was very, very proud of that. Now, we are just simply going to ask, give me the US economic news for today. So we're going to ask that and just see what we are given. So quite a lot of news. Obviously, the crypto sort of announcement that will be due later today. That'll be very interesting to see how that sort of affects the market. But some of the smaller headlines we will take a look at and see how they're going to impact the news. Okay. So upcoming CPI and PPI reports on March the 12th to the 13th. Okay, not quite something that will affect our trades today. Now we can ask for analysts, psychological levels. So give me psychological. Just going to see what the GPT gives us then.
Looking to cheat on your bed? Find the best time to...
Just waiting for that to generate.
Get away with flexible date search. Find your perfect somewhere at the best price. Download hotels.com and book in the app.
Okay. It's navigating a 5% correction as of today. Traders balancing cautious optimism and risk aversion. So there's fear of deeper declines. The index has retreated 6.6% from recent highs, triggering concerns about a potential 10% or 20% correction. So that would be huge. Technical resilience. Despite the pullback, bullish momentum indicators remain intact, suggesting underlying strength. And seasonal skepticism. Discussions around sell-in-May strategy highlight lingering doubts about summer performance, though historical exemptions caution against rigid adherence. So some behavioral dynamics. Traders are likely hedging against further downside, with technical analysis pointing to, what is this? Some sort of advert hijacking our live stream. Let's put this on. Okay. Okay, support levels, some momentum shifts, and seasonal narratives. So we're in a 15-minute time frame. Just before market opens, we are going to go in and ask the GPT what it predicts. Download image, new chat. I'm going to attach this and say, oh, we have the pre-crafted prompt. This is the US 500 right now. Analyze and give me a long or a short. Okay. Now we're just waiting for the market to open.
Hello, guys.
Now, where did market open yesterday?
What are we saying?
It opened and dropped at about 3 p.m. Give me economic news for today. Let's see what comes of market open. I think it'll be very interesting. Should we place a trade before market opens, do you think?
Yeah. I mean, that's what we've been advised to do, right? It's on a downtrend. I think it's going to go up again.
I don't think it'll be first thing.
You don't think so? What time is this? 4:30. 3:30. Then maybe we'll catch it on the retracement. Going down. What do you think?
We were recommended to take a short by the GPT.
I see. Steadily going down. Have you asked it for the market psychology?
Yes, yeah, I did. So it's 2:30 now.
Okay. Well, let's see. Let's go long. I mean, look, 450 to 745, 3 hours. 3 hours time it went up. I mean, it's gonna be a short-term trend upwards.
Let me zoom in.
Okay. Got some fire emojis from Joe.
Fire emojis in the chat. Shout out Joe. How you doing today, Joe?
Thank you, Joe.
Let's give this to the GPT. I think we can go in with a buy. I just find it easier. So the chart of the US 500 right now, we're going to analyze and find out whether we need to take a long or a short. I think we could go for a long. Now we're just going to quickly ask for the confidence level. So we've been given a 6 out of 10.
What
Um,
time frame did you give it?
time frame,
Ask
it was
for
just
like within the next 3 hours. Give us a trade within the next 3 hours.
so we'll
Should
see.
we show the darts instead?
Oh yeah, go on. We're going to show you some live darts gameplay, guys. If it was over the next 3 or so, I think it would be a lot riskier. We're fighting against the trend that way.
Which is what you want to do.
No, it's the opposite. You want to go with the trend. I think it will continue to go down, honestly.
What, from here? Don't you think
In the
there'll be
long
a
term,
little... The long term, yeah.
over the next
but
couple of
we're-
hours.
I mean, these
That came after a long
arcs.
drop, however.
These arcs are over the span of a day. Every day it just goes.
We'll look at, where are we right now?
Where are we? We're in.
We're waiting for this to come down, and then there'll be a... I think this is
You think
just
we're
a
waiting for this to
consolidation.
come down
Yeah.
even further? Like this.
Yeah, but I mean, that one had quite a strong drop there as well.
I mean, this doesn't look like long, but that's 3 hours. Two hours.
What's going on with the chart now? It looks like it's rallying upwards.
So the GPT. Sorry. What is the or 3 hours?
Hmm.
Whose do you think this is?
I think, well,
That client review was brutal.
We're gonna be underwater for weeks.
I'm already so pruny.
This is fixable. Just use Grammarly. We'll crush it.
I'm already crushed. I cannot be crushed any
advert, destroy that advert now. Thank you, Justin.
Get out of here. Okay.
Get out!
Get off my lawn.
Get out! Yeah, it does look like it's filling up, to be fair.
Everyone tuning in, we're using Solvent GPT to scalp and trade the US 500 right now. The GPT has predictive and image recognition functionality. So we're just taking screenshots of the charts of the US 500 and using its predictive functionality to place trades. there any tickers, any stocks that you want us to have a look at, do, analysis for you? We're more than happy to do so. Just drop it in the chat.
We have a comment from, is that Mr. Boner? Mr. Boner. Skidious.
If it isn't my old enemy, Dark Skidious.
I don't get it. I think you spelled skid wrong.
Where's Dark Skidious?
Interesting.
So that was a comment from one of our viewers, our loyal viewers. There must be something that happened. Who's Dark Skidious? I've never heard of that before.
There's a long story. There's a long story behind this.
What's going on with the music? And this? I think we're having Wi-Fi issues.
Don't know.
So what are we saying? I mean,
I don't know. A long time, we have to give the market 5 or 10 minutes to warm up before we take anything.
our good friend Joe here says, I want to hear the long story.
A long
I
story.
don't know about this story.
Rupee USD booming. We'll take a look at the rupee
It's like
to
an
dollar.
inside joke with you and one of these viewers.
I have no idea what this man is referencing.
Rupee USD booming. I heard you have an AI assistant. Yes,
We do.
Carlo, we do. Is that the Darth Skidious?
No,
No,
it's the
okay.
AI personal assistant.
Oh. So what is this AI PA?
Well, I mean, do you want to explain it? Is that something maybe we could direct you to some of our YouTube videos that actually go into quite a lot of
I
detail
want you to
into what the AI assistant is. If that's something you're interested in, please go and visit our YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, here we go. So, we've got bearish momentum as of March 7th, influenced by the macroeconomic uncertainty, tariff uncertainty. Gosh, tariff is such a buzzword these days, right? And there's also, Trump's imposing tariffs on Europe.
Mm.
Yeah. It's insane. Do you know anything about the tariffs with the UK?
No. The whole reasoning behind why he's putting these tariffs in is because years and years ago, the US used to run off tariffs, and there wouldn't be any sort of income taxes on the people of America.
Right.
So I believe this is what he's trying to sort of replicate, is the sort of old system where the US would generate a lot of their income through these tariffs and
Yeah,
these
he's
import
trying to
charges.
transition back to it, right?
So that's what I believe he's doing, at least.
I'm still really curious about, about what this guy's commented. If it isn't my old enemy, Darth Skidious, is that a bot or something? If you're real, Mr. Archie Bonnell, do you care to explain what the story is?
Yeah. Explain the story, Archie.
Mr. Archie, if you're a real person, if you're not a bot, can you explain the story for us?
Yeah, go into detail about the story, please.
Anyways, it's probably a bot. So, technical analysis. Pivot points. Retail traders are monitoring the critical levels of 58449.
Now I think maybe we can start looking at a trade. With this information, we could definitely enter.
Short-term reactions. Traders are likely to are likely capitalizing on intraday volatility and institutional follow. Retail activity may mirror smart money movements. Smart money.
Okay. Ever.
You're gonna enter long?
I think we could. I think we could. Just to go back to your question, Carlo, if you are interested in our AI personal assistant, two things that I'd recommend you go forward and do. Underneath this video, there should be a sort of bio or a description. You're able to sign up for a demo. Now, if you specify that you're after a demo of the AI assistant, please do go down below and register your interest. Now, something else that we have on the very YouTube channel that you're watching at the moment, there should be some AI personal assistant videos attached. Now, if you want to go and have a look at some of them, familiarize yourself with what the software is and what it's capable of, please do. It'd be fantastic. It is an amazing software, an amazing sort of thing to have, and I'll briefly run you through what it is. Essentially, it's an AI model that aims to replicate exactly what a personal assistant would do. But of course, it operates at a fraction of the cost. So this thing can revolutionize your work schedule. It can completely manage your sort of schedule and your work balance, your work-life balance. It can it can take into account any sort of emails that you're sent. It can document them, recite them. It can reply to any sort of emails you receive, and it can book a lot of appointments. So it does the majority of things that a personal assistant in New York that would be paid around $72,000, we do it at a fraction of a cost. So it's a fantastic software. If it's something you're interested in, please do sign up. We have a comment. Blue face.
Face blue smiling.
Face blue smiling. I don't know what that means. I really don't know what that means.
I think this might be a bot.
He's glitching.
No, because it said, if it isn't my old enemy Darth Sidious, and the next comment was just face blue smiling.
Finger red #1. I don't know what that means.
I think this is a bot.
Finger red #1. We're being trolled.
Look, I see what I said. Bye.
Yeah.
Not anymore. I think we'll go in for the retracement. What do you think? We'll go in for the sell after this.
Let's ask the GPT what it thinks.
Okay, let's
We have a comment. Don't feed the trolls. Thank you. Don't feed them.
the trolls. Yeah, that's very true. That is very true. It's entertaining though. #1 fan. Okay. What do we have here? So it's just recommended that we go long. The price continues to hold above support level. Enter at 5,750. We're almost there. Take profit at 5,760. Okay, that's a very quick scalp.
Let's go for it.
Yeah.
You can create a
I think it'd be
Gmail
fantastic. So
account
we
with
have an
confidence.
entry level of just about the current price. Take profit at 5,760, and then a stop loss of 5,735.
7 out of 10. Let's go in. Definitely late to this.
Ever so slightly, yeah.
So slightly, but oh, it's already pushing 5.7. Let's set our take profits and stop loss. We can go ahead and type it.
Yeah, what was it? 5,735 for the stop loss. You want to set that? Thanks. And then the take profit was
Look at
5,760.
Teamwork. There
There we go. Already $200 in profit. We will take that. Right, we're going to continue to monitor this trade during the sort of duration that it is active. We will keep taking a look and seeing how it sort of performs. Now, what we're going to do in the meantime, we're going to go over some of the use cases of this software, or we may even actually go in with a trade on another market. Now, let's have a look at some other markets. I think that'd be quite interesting. For instance, we could do pound dollar, maybe super microcomputer, jumped up quite significantly just now.
What should we have a look at? Should we have a look at some penny stocks?
Let's go ahead. Let's look at some penny stocks. So this software is very well equipped for finding all of these niche sort of penny stocks. So what sort of prompts could we use? Give me a list of penny stocks that I can trade today for max ROI. Now our trade is currently $400 or $360 in profit, 290, 410. There we go. So the chart is moving a lot.
No, I think it's just updating there quickly. Oh, it's almost hit our take profit.
Was our take profit 560?
5760, yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
$930.
Almost a grand in like what, 5 minutes?
So we have a comment here. I use the investor level unlimited version of this Solvent GPT, and it's very good. Keep up the good work, guys. Fantastic. Well, I'm very happy that you are seeing
Silent
results.
Night. That's a very unique way of spelling Silent Night.
Yeah, investor level unlimited version. Yeah, that is one of the most
Comprehensive versions.
yeah, it's a very good version. The unlimited is the one I use myself, and I do see very good results from it. It does really perform well with the amount of parameters we're given it, and we are about to add in quite a few more parameters to the unlimited, around 117
so 500 billion to 685, I believe.
Oh, okay. So about 185 billion parameters are about to be added. Of course, as a user and an investor, not only do you get both of those benefits, but every single update that we release. So a lot of good things to look forward to, and we're very happy that you're currently using this, sir.
Indeed.
Oh,
I
mom.
still can't believe one of our investors made $250,000 yesterday.
We got a call yesterday from one of our investors telling us he used the software. I can't remember what he was trading. I think he was trading gold. But he called in and he said we made it was a quarter of a million yesterday using this software. So we were very, very happy when that
Ecstatic.
yeah, the marketing guy came out and he told us. We were very happy. Now, potentially we could look at seeing a reversal.
Potentially, but I don't reckon so. I think it will still go up. Let's zoom out a little bit.
Let's take a look.
Well, maybe you're right.
It's too early to look.
But like all of these, I think it's just going to shoot down. In general,
We have to bide. Let's bide our time for a minute and see.
In general, it's on a downtrend. Like you can see here.
Yeah.
Downtrend. Slowing a little bit. But let's see what happens here on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so what has it recommended here? It says enter at 5,760, which is where we just bought in at, and exit at 5,800. So it does It's saying that it will push higher than that all the way up
Wow.
here for a 1 hour time chart. Hold on a second.
It's very possible.
Up here. Alright, let's ask for the likelihood of this happening. Let's see how confident the GBT is that this will happen. But it'll definitely be like a steady climb. It won't just shoot up to 5800 all of a sudden.
Yeah, so those tariffs
10.
will be announced. Well, there should be some related news coming out today. I do want to take a look at when that crypto announcement comes out.
What's the crypto announcement?
They're
The
gathering.
Trump's
They're gathering a.
Summit.
Yeah, they're gathering a lot of American cryptocurrency. Sort of presidents of each sort of American cryptocurrency. So they have Cardano, they have XRP, they have Solana. There's a representative from Ethereum, and Michael Saylor will attend from MicroStrategy. So a lot of interesting information that may come out very soon. Yeah, US 500 just pushing higher and higher. Now, whether it's going to keep running upwards or reverse, and the GPT predicts. Let's see. So the GPT is pointing out, you know, it is in a bearish downtrend. We do need to be careful, and there is a level of caution advised. We're trading at the moment. Hopefully.
Can you keep narrating?
Sorry?
Just keep narrating. I'm just responding here. Okay, what are we looking at here? Not very likely. For 800. And what do you think? Oh, look at SMCI. Reversal. Let's look for a reversal, yeah.
I don't know. I think we should maybe look at MicroStrategy today.
MicroStrategy? What's their ticker?
Not sure. Oh, they're called Strategy now. But I believe it'll be, yeah, it's that one.
MSTR. You sure?
Yeah, yeah. Now, when this crypto-related news comes out, I think there will be a sort of explosion, especially with MicroStrategy.
This one could be pretty good as well. When do you want to trade MicroStrategy?
We need to first find out when this crypto announcement is. So if you want to ask something along the lines of when is the upcoming crypto news announcement coming out of the White House?
Hold on, this one's different. Extended hours. go for a short?
Sure.
Sure.
Let's ask the GPT what it believes.
Yeah.
They are in a downtrend.
Does TradingView have the extended hours?
I believe so. I believe so. I think we just need to specify.
I don't think so.
But yeah, what is everybody viewing? How is your Friday going? Have you got any plans? Are you are you trading at the moment? You're just waiting for your day to start? Are you perhaps watching on your lunch break? Drop a comment down below. Tell us how your Friday's going, what you have planned for the day, and um, just how you're doing in general. And we will take into account any sort of tickers that you drop in the chat. We'll do some research on them. US 500 flying up. Be interesting to see how the market performs today.
Okay, so the prompt that I've put in here is give me entry and exit points for tickers that will have a 7 out of 10 rating or more of being a successful trade, but I'm going to change that to 8 out of 10 as well.
There was one time I found a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Are we talking about the GPT or are we talking about something else?
No, it was in the GPT. Yeah. Not sure what you're referencing there.
Hey? Oh, this is 15 minutes though. I don't know. Okay.
Investopedia. So Gorilla Technology Group. We have Springworks Therapeutics. Okay, so this is good. Some top performing S&P 500 stocks of March 2025 with notable year-to-date gains. So this will be quite strong to trade.
This is extended hours. Why does it not have the bloody right chart? To me, this looks like a sell. Let's just directly take a screenshot with snipping tool. Okay, let's catch this.
Perhaps we could go with a short.
Perhaps.
For everyone just tuning in, essentially what we're doing, we're using our AI system to research the market, find potential trades that we can take right now. We're trading live and find any sort of entries or exits using our AI. Now this system is very well equipped. It has a lot of real-time and historical data, mostly accumulated from sorts of hedge funds and financial institutions, where we're able to utilize this information and generate trading strategies using it. So this is a fantastic software for finding real-time trades or investments. As well as that, there is an extreme amount of research functionality. It has a lot of insider information. And we're able to get a very strong idea of exactly what the market is about to do using this software.
Should we go for it? 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10, and we were recommended a
Buy
buy.
to 38.50.
38.50.
Yeah.
What type of time frame?
38.50 is here. Well, it's a 5-minute time frame. It'll probably be over the next half an hour.
Let's go for it. Let's go for it.
We're already quite late. Order rejected. How can you reject my order?
Market is currently untradeable. Interesting. Never seen that. Super microcomputer.
What are they doing?
Interesting. Let's check how the US 500 is doing. That's not something I've really seen before. Order rejected, and we're unable to trade it.
US 500 again.
US 500 dropping down quite significantly. Maybe this is our entry into a short. As we know, the market is in quite a strong downtrend at the moment. If we were to catch the beginning of this huge downtrend, it would be very rewarding. Now, in order to utilize this software, it doesn't take too long of a sort of learning period. You know, it's as simple as going forward and asking questions, just asking how the market's performing, how this specific stock is performing, or maybe options ticker, maybe a crypto coin, etc. It's as easy as asking a question and just typing away on your keyboard. Now, you may ask, you know, with these AI models, it's very easy for you to say, you know, all I need to learn is how to ask questions, but you know, in reality, we need to ask these specifically crafted prompts, perhaps, or maybe, you know, use very specific language, or ask these questions in a very, you know, intricate way. Now, the way we've engineered this system is very easy to ask whatever you need to. Whatever you need to find out about the market in a very simple way. We don't require you to use intricate phrasing or learn a whole new way of typing these things into the software to actually get the most out of it. It's very simple to just ask a very basic question. Al Spicer, here he is. I knew you would be here today, Al Spicer. Euro to UAD, and he's saying sell order question mark. Let's bring up the chart. How are you, Al? Having a good day, I assume?
What does that smell? It smells like onions. Can you smell that?
Joe was eating onion bhaji. He must have thrown it away.
I see.
I actually don't have a sense of smell.
Joe,
So
who's Joe?
our colleague, Joe. Let's take a look. Go for the
Which one do you want?
US, or it's
USD?
Euro to UAD. It's Euro to UAD.
Okay.
Let's take a look. Awanda. Oh. Now, what has caused this? We will be able to check very shortly.
Al Spicer said better than I deserve. No.
Better than you deserve.
Why does he say that? You've had a few conversations with him, haven't you?
Yeah, you're a good man, Al. Just a hard-working man. It's very hard to. It's hard for me to get on the phone with you sometimes. You are a very busy man, so always working hard. I know that. This is the Euro to Australian dollar. Give me entry and exit points.
Shame. Better than I deserve.
Let's swap into a 1 minute and just analyze.
I don't think anyone deserves to have a bad day. What do you think?
Now we're getting into philosophy.
Yeah. Let's not go there.
I don't know. Let's ask the GPT what it thinks
What about philosophy?
about philosophy.
Oh yeah, that's just.
Let's go into a 1 minute time frame and see what's happening right now.
Okay, well it says go short. To still go short to 17185. So, you know, kind of ride it down, ride the trend.
Yeah. So we have
but I
a
don't
quick,
imagine you should be in for too long.
scalp here. Recommended that we enter at the current price, take profit at 17 Oh, sorry, 1.7185 is the recommended strategy. Now, this is a scalp. It's a little bit.
Should we go for it?
I know that your trades are a little bit. They take place over more than about 2 or 3 minutes, Al. So, but that's the recommended. I mean, the GPT believes it's gonna decrease within the next couple of minutes. Let's have a look. Euro to Australian dollar.
Yeah.
It's almost hit the.
Well, we'll keep track of it.
Yeah, we're going to keep track of it for everyone. Let's skip that advert. My entry was 1720.
1720.
Fantastic.
Okay, well that's, you know, that's what it recommended. Short position and take profit at 17185.
So the stop loss that the GPT has recommended, Al, 1.7185.
You mean take profit?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I'll take profit.
So stop loss 17215 up here. It's quite a conservative stop loss. You might want to adjust accordingly to what, you know, you're able to tolerate. Where's the music going? Okay. And we're back. But we'll monitor this. I hope that's helped you. Did you act on that based off of your own analysis or based off of the recommendation that we've given you here?
There we go. It's almost at the.
I think it did hit. No, it didn't hit stop. Take profit. We're getting it mixed up.
Yeah, yeah.
It's almost there.
Almost. Let's
I want to look
take
at
a
some
look.
penny stocks.
Sure.
This is something else that we found out the other day, that you can find penny stocks. So give me penny stocks. Okay, I'm gonna pull out. There's an exact prompt that we have engineered for this. Where are we? Was it on the main chat?
Don't know.
Okay, so is it this one? Yeah.
Yeah.
So give me a list of penny stocks that will boom within a month. And then we'll follow up with, out of these, which ones should I invest in? 171883.
Very close to our take profit.
Yeah. Let us know, Al Spicer. Where are you going to? Oh, it says I have my exit at 17180. Down here. Just a little bit below ours. Okay. Nice one.
Very close.
Let us know how that goes. Okay, here we have some tech/AI penny stocks. Cannabis penny stocks. Huh. Rigetti, I always see Rigetti.
Rigetti.
And SoundHound AI as well. So they're an AI voice stock where Nvidia exited holdings.
Applied Digital Corp. It's very interesting.
Wafu Education. That could be pretty big.
Micro Algo.
They're linked to DeepSeek. They could be a quick follower.
Jet.ai Inc. That'd be interesting.
Okay, let's just ask it out of these penny stocks. Which ones should we invest in? So Al said, I've already moved my stop loss to break even at 1720. Nice. Great trade. Seeing some green here. Oh.
Rigetti Computing Inc.
Careful, that might hit your stop loss. I have an RSI divergence on the 15-minute ask. Solvent about that on the same trade. So it says Jet AI, Firefly, Rigetti. We'll have a look at these. Let's where did we ask for the here?
Sure. So
Oh, I need some
an
water.
RSI divergence on the 15-minute, and I'm assuming that is Euro to AUD. Let's attach an RSI. What are we doing? We need to attach an indicator. There we go. Relative strength index. We're going to take an image and we're going to attach that very easily to the GPT. Euro to Australian dollar. This is the Euro to AUD. Analyze, provide entry and exit points. So just take a look at that. Yes, sir. Entry level. So the RSI is around 41.48, indicating that the pair is approaching oversold conditions, which might suggest a potential reversal or consolidation. So yeah, the RSI indicates potential oversold conditions. Sure, let's go into more detail on the RSI. Telling me about the RSI. So we'll just see what kind of information we're given.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve...
So the RSI ranges from 0 to 100. An RSI typically above 70. Okay, fantastic. So we're going to attach the same image and just ask, give me info.
Oh.
This RSI. I am hungry. I'm going to get some food after this.
It's about to hit his stop loss.
So bearish momentum in the short term. Recent movement has declined from higher levels, and if it continues to drop towards 30, we may have to watch for signs of a reversal or stabilization to consider entering anything a bit longer. Fantastic. So yeah, just be cautious, essentially is what the GPT is telling us. Do want to keep an eye on the US 500. Okay, wow.
Grammarly is an AI writing partner that works seamlessly with your everyday apps and helps professionals write better and faster.
Oh, these adverts, go away. So we're going to give the pre-crafted prompt. This is the US 500. Analyze this image and provide me with entry and exit points. So we can consider entering. Okay. Let's see how the US 500 performs over the next couple of minutes. Something we can also take a look at is gold.
Wait, how did his trade do?
Yeah, how did your trade go, Al? Let us know how the trade went. Let's take a look.
What do we? You want to look at gold?
Yeah. See how it's performing.
I think we should cut the stream soon. Let's see the US 500.
Wow, dropping quite significantly. That was very sudden.
So we were here, we saw it come down here, right? Just sell. I think we should zoom out a little bit, let's see.
I think we could enter with a short and keep that going for the rest of the day.
You think so?
Wow, that's a lot of movement.
Alright, well, I gotta get back to work. So...
we'll ask one more question.
yeah.
Let's take take a screenshot. We're going to attach this.
Wait, what's the yellow line on that RSI? Is that the signal?
Essentially, yeah, I believe so. I think that's the sort of average. I think. This is the chart of the US 500. We're going to analyze this and potentially take a trade.
Dun, 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 dun,
So we're going to take a short. Entry level around the current. And we'll probably, I'll put this trade in and I'll show you everyone watching the results on Monday. I'm going to put a sell order in. 100 contracts. Just going to update the stop loss. So the stop loss we were recommended 5736. Then our take profit we were recommended 5720. Fantastic. So we'll keep that going over the course of the day, and we will update everyone as to how it performs. But yeah, thank you for joining everyone, and see you in the next stream.